Thanks for inviting us in at 6 o'clock, and we begin tonight with growing concerns about Hoosiers using a drug meant for animals that's being laced with illegal drugs. We're talking about Xylazine. This is a tranquilizer used by veterinarians.
A new study reveals that Indiana is now the 10th worst in the country for people testing positive for the drugs in their systems. Karen Campbell shares why and also some of the concerns that are now being expressed by the Hamilton County Coroner.
Indiana is now among the top 20 states that had the highest use of fentanyl laced with Xylazine. That's a tranquilizer drug used by veterinarians. The Hamilton County Coroner says it's becoming a growing concern. That's according to a new study by Millennium Health. It reveals 21% of urine samples tested in Indiana that were positive for fentanyl were also positive for Xylazine samples. Coroner Jeff Xylazine says there are a number of drugs mixed with illicit substances.
They are cocktails of a lot of emerging drugs, Xylazine being one of them.
A tranquilizer drug used by veterinarians. It's not an opioid, so Narcan won't work. Xylazine focused on ways to combat the problem.
And there now is some emerging technology that we specifically are looking at to where we can have toxicology back on an individual in 30 minutes.
Instead of the standard 10-day period, one tool to potentially help law enforcement get dealers off the street faster.
If you know or you're working a case on an individual dealing in that area, then you need to get him locked up because it's not going to stop at 3. It'll be 10 before it's over.
According to this diagram by Millennium Health, the East North Central, which includes Indiana, Xylazine positivity rates actually dropped 4.9% between April and October of 2023 and the following 6 months. Still, it remained the second highest area behind mid-Atlantic states.
It's going to take the whole box of tools to be able to combat this problem.
A problem, Xylazine says, starts with users getting the help and resources they need.
You can contact law enforcement. It might be better if you get arrested than to be on the autopsy table.
Because one pill can kill.
Don't let that happen to your family member.
In Hamilton County, Karen Campbell, 13 News.